Hi, my people. Hope you are doing well. I don't come again. This is a gay QMT TV. Guy, I said we're gonna be doing different airdrop every day. Different one. So this one also is very simple and unique. You can try it and you surely get it at once. So guys, you can see how I tie the front. Is very simple. Very simple. So we're gonna try to airdrop today. So this is the first one. You can see how I'm making the head pad. So put it at the middle like this, and you use the turban scarf to do us to wrap it. Then I'm trying to adjust the back. So we started our twisting from the back. Then continue twisted. Continue. So you did the second one, I mistakenly put it inside, so I'm just trying to bring it out. I'm trying to bring it out. So the last, and we're going to sock it. You see the way I'm doing it. So we have to sock it somewhere there. Yeah. So that place, you tie it very well. Then we just use that place to form little rows, just to make the front look different, look good. So I'm just trying, should I use these, or then I said let me do another one. So yes, I should do another one. You see this one now, I think this one is okay. So I'm trying to do it very well. So I want to use pin to pin that place down. Use pin to pin it down. When you are doing it, just be careful. Don't use pin to pin yourself. Then the other one also did the same thing. That if you are the one trying this, if you don't want the front to be like this, you can still change the style. You can see the style that is in the picture that I put at the front. You see, I also have another style there, but I didn't do it here. So you can choose different style to be at the front, to be at the center like this. Yes, that is it. You see how it's looking like? So beautiful. So guys, if you love this airdrop, don't forget to drop comment. Please drop comment at the comment section, please guys, and don't forget to share. So this is our second headwrap, second turban style. So all this style I'm showing you guys is very simple, very simple to grab. Very simple. You see this one. So that is how you will round it. So guys, you are also amazing. Don't forget to follow my page. So this is the white that I'm going to use to cover it. So the back, We're gonna tie the back. That is what I'm doing. That is what I'm doing. I'm trying to tie it. So after that, you can see I'm trying to adjust the front. See now. See how the front is looking like. Then we bring the scarf to the front, from the back to the front. So now do what? Double it into like this. You see what I'm doing? See what I'm doing? So then you use this to cover it like this. Now, so you bring it to the front again. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my Facebook page. Love you all, guys. Love you all. So I'm just trying, maybe I can pick some step from this one so you can see how it goes. So then the last hand, you can see the remaining one in my hand. I'm still going to bring it to the front. You see, so see that one, we just put it there, then we just pin it down. Can you see, guys? So we'll now try to bring little flower, little rose to the front, to that center, to that side. In fact, English, you will not kill me. Okay, guys, I'm trying to pin it down. See now, see what we get. Yeah. So we pin that place also, guys. See how beautiful it is. So simple, so simple. You can try this style with any fabric. So you can use ankara. If you have a long one, you can use ankara to do it, and you will get beautiful style, and it will also bring out your face. You'll be looking charming. All right, guys, love you all. Please don't forget to do the necessary things. Please share my post, follow my page, subscribe to my channel, drop your comment at the comment section so that I can see you. When you share, we see the person that shared. Thank you, guys. See you in my next video.